The Illuminati, the old world order, they are part of us. They are part of the human collective consciousness. They are part of the cosmic universal consciousness of the entire galaxies and universe of all existence. Even though the Illuminati are not just the enemy or the dark side to be squashed, forgotten about, not cared for, to be beaten or triumphed over by the light side. The light side truly cares and loves and wants the best and envisions and wishes the best for everybody, just like we are naturally, instinctively and hormonally and neurochemically wired to do so for our children. Remember this, my friends, as Jesus said, and I'm not particularly religious especially, I'm spiritual and incorporates the wisdom and the essence of all religions. Love thy neighbour, love your enemy. Don't have an enemy. If you have an enemy and it seems like an enemy, wish them well. They are part of us, they are part of our family. So only wish for them to be rehabilitated, to feel better again, to feel connected, to feel happy, to feel whole, to feel connected to their heart, where they care for us too, where they care for everybody, where they have and are able to feel more levels of love, care, compassion, forgiveness. So let us have forgiveness for them, let us have compassion, and wish them to feel good qualities and virtues related all about the heart. The heart is also Jesus' main teachings. The heart is in between our crown chakra and our bottom chakra. The heart is the center. The heart is the essence of spiritual teachings. Spirituality is about the heart. The most we can do for the collective consciousness of the universe and of Mother Earth, the whole, is to work on our heart, to work on having good feelings and love and compassion for everybody. Have no enemies. And this will transform your energy, what you radiate, what you shine, how you behave, think and interact with everybody and everything. You'll focus on the gratitude, love and appreciation and compassion and forgiveness. And this will change the world so much more than making things like documentaries and YouTube videos of hate, of aggression, of violence, of enemies, of us against them, of how full of anger, all this sort of stuff. Change your heart, my friends. You hold, and we all hold, the power. This is deep, spiritual, true, grounded work. We are love, so it's all about connecting. Have a nice day, lots of love. Thank you for watching. Have a beautiful day. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Love, gratitude and appreciation. Thank you, and give this a share.
I'm sorry, please forgive me. I thank you and I love you.